Hello, we're back at Industrial Surplus to do a video demonstration of our Marvel automatic horizontal bandsaw model 15A/S, making a cut on a tube. Cutting capacity on this machine is 15 by 20 inches. Blade size is 1.25 by 15 feet, 6 inches. And it's equipped with a 10-foot automatic bar feed, the operator's control console, built-in coolant system, multi-index parts feeder for longer length parts, and 4-foot discharge table here, parts counter, 5 horsepower motor drive, operator's manual, wiring schematics, the whole 9 yards. And we have gone through this machine, just replaced the blade, and did some final tune-ups, touch-ups on this machine that we can explain to you in a minute. So we'll go ahead and start it and do some cuts. Press the hydraulic button. Head goes up to set position. Comes down to feed mode. We adjusted the feed rate over here. Feed pressure is adjustable. Cut complete, finishes the cycle, the head retracts and stops.
It'll come up, the blade will stop, it'll come up.
On a single cycle.
Yeah, one shot. Cut another one. Basically, I just start again. Once it starts to move down, the vise will clamp, and it'll make the cut. Burn this and we'll fix it. For this one, we'll measure them both.
Here's the bar feed section here, the motor drive, down here. Alright, we deburred the 2 parts.
Like here. Right now, we're just going to check square. Kind of hard to see, but it's real close. And then I'll measure them with the calipers to show thickness. Nice. Well, these aren't being cut to any specific length. I'm just showing that the cut is nice and straight. Let's look at this one.
Again, we didn't measure the length for
I just pulled it out and made it
repeatability in terms of length, but we're measuring here just to see if they're
a nice straight cut.
how straight the cut is.
Nice and square.
Okay. Very nice. Oh, and there was a point you wanted me to
There
mention?
was a fitting that was broken on the rear vise, and it's repaired.
Okay.
The show was a little crooked.
Yep.
So that's good to go.
All right. So that's it, and we're ready for final inspection or
Ship it off.
ship it off. Ready to go. Okay, thank you.